certification alone, training alone will not save you. Hello, my name is Juby, co-founder at Yellowtail, where we help people with no IT background get their first high-paying IT job. So today I want to talk about how certifications won't save you. So getting the right training, getting a solid certification is important. In fact, it's very important. But it doesn't stop there. It's only the first step into your journey of breaking into IT. There's so much more that needs to happen for you to actually be job ready. The first hurdle, the first big hurdle you're gonna encounter is building job experience. Because there is a catch-22 in the industry, and it's real. It goes like this. You need a job to get the experience, but wherever do you get that experience if you never got a job? So you need to acquire that experience one way or another. And the best and easiest way is to find a solid internship. Because hiring managers, they prefer to hire people with some exposure to the technologies they work with. So it's gonna be very important to get that experience. And secondly, you need proper coaching, and that's gonna come in so many forms. You need interview feedback, because here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna start going to interviews, and at the end of every interview, they're gonna tell you one thing. Thank you for the interview. We will let you know if it worked out. But you will never have any actionable feedback. That's why you need a team, you need coaching, you need support where you get professionals that are giving you proper actionable feedback to improve before you start hitting the job market and going on real interviews. Because you don't know what to improve. When you go to real interviews, what happens is you get a brick face. You don't know if you did well, you don't know what to improve, and you keep going over and over and making the same mistakes. So that's why this part is very important. So another thing you're gonna need is getting your resume critiqued by professionals. Yes, you can think that everything you learn is on your resume, but there is an optimal way to present what it is you know. So that's important to actually have your resume be critiqued, be improved by professionals. And another thing is making sure that your professional profile online is on point, because recruiters would look you up and they want your resume to jive with your profile, everything to look professional. So that's very important. This is also where you will need help. But most importantly, you're gonna need cheerleaders. That means you're gonna need a team, you're gonna need a network of some sort to keep you motivated and going, because it can get frustrating. It's very important to not only get the training, get the certification, but without the rest of the process, certification alone, training alone will not save you. So if you're looking for a team to cheer you on, to help you with this process, check us out at yellowtail.tech, see what we're about. Look around, see if it's a good fit, and schedule a career strategy session with our team, and let's talk about it. And if you got any value out of this, like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this one.